Hi guys, Android Impress. How are y'all doing? I just wanted to bring your all attention, of course, some maximum gaming energy just in case. We brought to your attention this gaming computer. It's ready to rock and roll. Not only do we put the 700 watt RGB power supply in there, you have an X570 MSI motherboard, Ryzen5-5600X. We're going to power that with a Radeon 6600XT. Through 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RGB RAM. Everything is primed and ready, y'all. We throw a warranty in there. Mouse and keyboard come with that, and those are not just a standard mouse. We put in a gaming mouse and a mechanical keyboard comes with that. Not only do we do that, we offer services to build things with y'all. We could teach y'all. We could build it for you if you need any of those AutoCAD generation, some of those mining machines. We don't really do rigs, but we do build those 3090s just in case you need those high-end 8-quality gaming setups. Anytime, give us a call. 281-647-9977. Thank you so much.